Alrighty, I just want to take a minute and talk about this worksheet that you're going to do. So this is the worksheet that you are getting from your crew teacher. There's a front and a back to it. And then, like I said, if you're virtual, that is linked on the agenda, both sides for you. So make sure you put your name and your crew teacher's name up top for me. Like I said, they're going to turn it in for you by the end of the day into me or my mailbox. And this is just a practice lesson 1. So on this side right here, what I just want you to pay attention to and realize that this table right here has to do with problems 1 through 5. And even really number 6. Number 6 also goes with this. So these first 6 problems use this table. It talks about, I don't want to say Scooby Middle School, but Scobie maybe? Okay, and it talks about it down here as well. All right, so those tie together. And here you're making, you're actually just using this table to find a probability. So the probability of getting a chocolate chip cookie, a peanut butter cookie, and so on. These can be in fraction form. Just leave them in fractions, that's it. And if you leave these in fractions, then you're going to make sure that you reduce these, simplify these if you can, because when you do check the answer key will show you simplified answers on these simplified fractions. Then number 6, when you do the predicting, when it says expect, what to expect, that means to predict. And this is going to be your proportion setup here. Okay, and like we practiced, to predict out of 424 students. Remember, the table is the survey amount, so you're going to have to find the survey amount. And then this 424 students here is what you're using to predict. This is the bigger population. Number 7 is going to use this vacation survey circle graph over here for you to use your percentages. And this is what we learned today. Use your percentages to find out how many would go to an amusement park out of 4,000 teens. And then number 8 does not go with this vacation survey. Number 8 is its own problem here, but it'll tell you the percentage and it'll tell you the number of people in the population that you'll use, again, to predict. So you're using percents in number 7 and number 8. Then if I flip this over on the back side, okay, this is more about making predictions, and you're going to find here, there's a table up top on favorite movie type, and you will find the survey amount from this table, the initial sample here. And then 1 and 2 will go together here with this, this survey amount. And so you will find here also a fractional amount, a probability, and you're going to want to reduce that fraction as low as you can. Once you get number 2 is going to help you with number 3, because then it's going to have you predict. Okay, and so in number 3, what you're going to do is set a proportion up. Oops, can't see it, sorry. Number 4 is now on its own. So 1, 2, and 3 go with the table. Number 4, you're using a percentage based on this story to predict. So this is not using the table. Number 6 is also not using the table, or number 5 or 6, excuse me, 4, 5, and 6. These are just using percentages and predicting with your percentages. So you'll use multiplication on those. And again, neither of those 3 are going to use the table. So you'll finish both sides, and you can, depending on how your crew teacher would like it, you can work on it individually, or you can work within your pod or a partner. Again, that's their choice. And then when you're finished, you can check the answers. I'm going to put the answers on the agenda so you can at least see that you did it correctly and verify that, and then you'll turn it into your crew teacher. So when you do check your answers, if you've made mistakes, show the redo of it, maybe in a different color. So I see what you did the first time, and what your redo is in a different color the second time you went through it. All right, that ends your hour. Once this is finished, don't forget on the agenda, it says you can continue to review for the final exam in Google Classroom. And that's it. I will see you on, Thursday and Friday on video. So have a great day. See you then.